measure 48 inches from the bottom all the way to the very top. It's not in all the way, just kind of wanted to show you. You're gonna have to take a little notch out of there and then a notch out of there, which corresponds with the wing nut. And then at that point, that will slide beautifully right into there. The moment of truth. Oh yeah! We tighten those wing nuts. We go down here and see how wiggly that is. Just look for the moment when that is no longer wiggly. Go ahead and put the mounting plate on, just finger tight. You don't actually want to over tighten this, otherwise that plastic will crack. You'll note that there's a tab up there as well as a tab down here. All you need to do is get your face plate, and I would recommend not putting the tab up because every time you use the light switch, you're gonna see that. I would recommend actually putting that tab going down. And so it looks nice right when you snap it in. Just like that.